All right, we're going to sing the phonic song, which is basically we're going to say out the sounds of every alphabet. Okay, Satyam might know this, but Tamanya doesn't know, so we're going to do it again. Okay. All right. Listen to Didi first. Didi will say the sound and then you repeat. Okay. Satyam knows it,
Yes.
so Satyam, don't hurry. We will. Tamanna needs to learn, so we will wait. Okay. A sound. A.
A sound. A.
Satyam say. A sound. What is the sound? A.
A.
Satyam. A sound.
A.
B sound. B.
B sound. B.
B sound.
B.
C sound. K.
C sound. K.
D sound. D.
D sound. D.
E sound. E.
E sound. E.
F sound.
F sound.
Okay. G sound. G.
G sound. G.
H sound.
H sound. H.
I sound. E.
I sound. E.
J sound. J.
J sound. J.
K sound. K.
K sound. K.
L sound. L.
L sound. L.
M sound.
M sound. M.
N sound. N.
N sound. N.
O sound. O.
O sound. O.
P sound. P.
P sound. P.
Q sound. Qu.
Q sound. Q.
Qu.
Q.
R sound. R.
R sound. R.
S sound. S.
S sound.
T sound. T.
T sound. T.
U sound. A.
U sound. A.
V sound. V.
V sound. V.
W sound. V.
W sound. V.
X sound. X.
X sound.
Y sound. Y.
R sound. V.
Z sound. Z.
Z sound.
Okay, now Didi is going to ask you and you are going to say the sound, okay?
Yes.
A sound.
A.
A. A sound.
A.
Okay, Satyam Baba, I can't hear you. एक बार ईयरफोन निकाल के कोशिश करो because I cannot hear you. मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. एक बार ईयरफोन्स निकाल के कोशिश करो, okay? Alright. B sound. हाँ, अभी आ रही है. B sound.
B.
B sound. C sound. तमन्ना. K. C sound. D sound.
D.
D. Very good. E sound.
A.
Very good. Tamanna, E sound.
A.
F sound.
F.
No. F sound. F sound. F sound.
F.
No, not F. Okay. G sound.
J.
No. G. G sound.
G.
H sound.
H.
Very good. I sound. E.
E.
I sound.
E.
Satyam, I sound.
E.
J sound.
J.
Very good. K sound.
K.
Very good. L sound. Tamanna, L sound. L sound. M M sound.
Mm.
Tamanna, M sound.
Mm.
Very good. N sound.
Mm.
Good job, Satyam. Tamanna, N sound.
Mm.
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 O sound.
Oh.
O. Okay. P sound.
Pa.
Very good. Q sound.
Ka.
Qua. Q sound.
Ka.
R sound. Very good, Satyam. Tamanna, R sound.
R.
Very good. S sound. S sound. Tamanna, S sound. Very good. T sound.
Ta.
Very good. U sound.
Wa.
A. U sound. A. V sound.
Wa.
Very good. W sound.
Wa.
W.
Wa.
X sound. X sound. X. X sound. Yes. Y sound.
Ya.
Z sound.
Za.
Z sound. Okay, तमन्ना क्विकली अभी जल्दी जल्दी करना है. ओके. A sound.
A.
A sound.
A.
A sound. A सत्यम. A sound.
A.
B sound.
Ba.
B. B
Ba.
sound.
Ba.
C sound.
Ka. Ta.
K. C sound.
Ka. Ka.
D sound.
Da.
E sound.
A.
F sound.
मेरी मीटिंग चालू है. F. Fa.
F sound.
Fa.
Not F.
अरे
F
मेरा
sound.
मीटिंग चालू है ना. G sound.
अरे अरे. F sound.
Fa.
तो देखे आ जाना बाकी
What happened, Tamanna?
ऑनलाइन देख रही भाग के देखे आना
J sound. J.
J.
K sound.
Ka.
L sound. Quickly.
La.
L. Not la.
L.
L. L sound.
L.
M sound. Very good, Satyam. M sound.
U.
Mm.
Mm.
N sound.
Na.
Mm.
Mm.
O sound.
A.
O. O sound.
A.
P sound.
Pa.
Q sound.
Ka.
Qua. Very good. R sound.
Ra. R.
Very good. S. S sound.
Sa.
Satyam, S sound. S sound. Very good. Tamanna, S sound. T sound.
Ta.
Very good. U sound.
U.
No. A. U sound.
A.
V
A.
sound.
Va.
W sound.
Va.
W. X sound. Y sound. Very
Ya.
good. Z sound. Tamanna, I'm going to send a video. You have to learn all these sounds, okay? Before tomorrow, you will be learning all these sounds and coming, okay? Before we move on, these are a few words that we should know, okay? These are called sight words. These are words that we should know. So repeat after Didi. This.
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 Very.
Very.
All.
All.
Look.
Look.
And.
And.
What is this?
Do.
Very good. What is this?
Good.
Very good. Satyam.
Good.
What is this?
And. Is.
Very good. This, very, all, look, and, do, good, and, is. Okay, we know these words. If we see this word, these words anywhere, we will be able to read, right? Give me a thumbs up if you can read these words. Okay, Satyam, please keep your phone at a place and then sit down. Satyam Baba, keep your phone at a place and then sit down. Right, Satyam, tell me when you're ready.
Yes, दीदी.
Okay. आपने फोन एक जगह रखा. All right. I am now going to say a few words. Okay, what is A sound? A sound? A. A sound is A. If you can hear the sound A, you will give me a thumbs up. If you cannot hear the sound A, you will give me a thumbs down. Okay, for example, Didi will tell you. Didi is saying the word sat. The word is sat. Didi can hear the word sound A, right? Sat. Sat. So Didi will give a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Okay. Now my next word is bed. The word is bed. Can I hear the sound A?
No.
No, right? It's not. Didi is not saying bad. Didi is saying bed. So I'm giving a thumbs down. Okay. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes and give me a thumbs up if you can hear the sound A, and give me a thumbs down if you can hear if you cannot hear the sound A. Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Baba. Satyam, close your eyes. Satyam, waiting for you, Satyam. So close your eyes. Okay. The word is cab. Show me a thumbs up if you can hear the sound A. The word is cab. अगर आपको A sound सुनाई दे रहा है तो show me a thumbs up. अगर नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है thumbs down. The word is cab. तमन्ना, the word is cab. मेरे को दिखा स्क्रीन के सामने बाबा, स्क्रीन के सामने keep put your okay. सत्यम is showing a thumbs up. तमन्ना, thumbs up or thumbs down. The word is cab. क्या आपको A sound सुनाई दे रहा है? Can you hear?
Yes.
Okay. The word is moot. The word is moot. Can you hear the sound A? Show me a thumbs up if yes. Show me a thumbs down if no. ऐसे ही करके दिखाओ. Okay. Tamanna is showing a thumbs down. Satyam, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Okay. The word is van. The word is van. Tell me if you can hear the sound A. एक सेकेंड. हाँ बाबा. The word is van. The word is van. Show me a thumbs up if you can hear the sound A. Show me a thumbs down if you can't hear the sound A. Van. Van.
Yep.
A sound. Okay, Tamanna is showing a thumbs up. Satyam. Van. Can you hear the sound A? Okay, Satyam is also showing a thumbs up. The word is rad. The word is rad. Can you hear the sound A?
No.
Rad. A sound. Rad. Can you hear the sound rad? A? Can you hear?
No.
Okay, Satyam, can you hear the sound A? Rad, Baba. Rad. A. सुनाई दे रहा है? Yes or no? Okay, Satyam is showing a thumbs up. No, thumbs down. Baba, rad. A. Okay, 9. Okay, Satyam is now showing a thumbs up. Tamanna, rad. A sound.
Yes.
The word is hen.
No.
Close your eyes. Why are your eyes open? Eyes closed. Eyes closed and listen to my voice. Hen. Show me a thumbs up if you can hear. Show me a thumbs down if you can't. Hen. The word is hen. Can you hear the sound A? Hen. Okay, Tamanna is okay, amazing. Good job, guys. You've got it. Now we are going to do something called blending. Okay, Satyam knows this, but Tamanna doesn't know it. So we are going to teach Tamanna. Okay, Satyam, you and I are going to teach Tamanna. Tamanna, open your eyes. Tamanna, अपना हाथ ऐसे निकालो. All right. Tamanna, हाथ ऐसे निकालो. Satyam, you know this. Okay. So I'm not going to teach you. You're going to teach Tamanna, and you and I are going to teach Tamanna. Okay. Tamanna, suppose I want to. Firstly, we are going to do blending. What are we going to do?
Blending.
Blending. मतलब Satyam, do you know what is the meaning of blending?
छोटे से बड़ा.
No. Blending means to mix. To mix sounds. Blending means milana. What is the meaning of blending?
मिलाना.
To mix. Milana. What are we mixing? क्या मिला रहे हैं? Sounds. What are we mixing?
Sound.
अभी the sounds that we learned, right? A sound, B sound, C sound. ऐसे जो phonic sounds we learned, उसी को we are going to mix. We are going to हम मिलाने वाले. Okay? So अपने हाथ ऐसे निकालो. I can't see. बाबा phone ऐसे करो ताकि मुझे दिखाई दे तमन्ना. Because you're going to doing for the first time. I'm going to see your hand also. Yes. Okay. हाथ ऊपर. Okay. This h a d h a d ha d ha d had. What did I just do तमन्ना? मेरे पास ह sound था, मेरे पास a sound था जो अभी हमने सीखा, and then we also had d sound. Okay, ह sound था, a sound था, and d sound था, and Didi just mixed all the sounds. ह a d h a d ha d had. Show me a thumbs up if you understood. सत्यम, why are you? आपका फोन ऐसे फोन के मुंह के पास क्यों है? Keep your phone at a place and then sit down, no सत्यम?
मेरा गोदी गिरी. अरे तू चुप रहे.
Okay, Tamanna. Taman, if you people keep moving, I will not be able to teach you, na? Phone छोड़ दो. Phone ऐसे बैठो. I want to see both your hands here. I want to see you sit in smart position. I want to see you sit in smart position like this. Satyam, where are your hands? Hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. दोनों. हाँ. You are not going to touch the phone screen anymore. Tamanna, you too. और phone screen touch नहीं करना. मेरे आँख दुख रहे. So much you are moving. Don't move anymore. हाथ. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. No more touching the phone. Okay. Hands. हाथ बाहर. Hands outside. Again. K a k a ca cat can. Okay. Satyam, you're going to tell me next. Okay. Take out your hand. You're going to blend for me. J a b. Tell me. Very good. How did you do that, Satyam? J a b. What did you do?
Jab.
Very good. He said j a b jab jab. Okay, Tamanna, you're going to do next. हाथ बाहर. G a t. G a t. You tell me what क्या होगा? G a t. Blend करो. तीनों मिलाओ. Mix all the sounds. G a t. हाथ का है. हाथ का है. हाथ का है. A sound. A. G a t. G a t. अभी खाली ये और ये sound mix करेंगे. Gat. Gat. फिर तीनों को मिला दो. Gat. Okay, Tamanna, one more. Hand outside. K. हाँ, Satyam, what? What, Satyam? Okay, Satyam, you do this for me. Hand outside. Fan.
Fan.
Very good. Tamanna, did you see what did Satyam do? He did then उसने ये दोनों साउंड्स मिला फैन. ठीक है. तमन्ना, one more you do for me. G. Tell me.
Bag.
साउंड ना बाबा. तमन्ना, पहले ये आप मिला नहीं रहे हो, जल्दीबाजी क्यों कर रहे हो? तमन्ना, सी ग. तमन्ना, look at me, eyes on the screen. Bag. Then bag. पहले ये दोनों साउंड मिलाया ग, फिर ये दोनों मिलाया ब और ए मिलके हुआ बै, एंड देन इसको मिलाया ग. बैग. ओके. तमन्ना, डू वन मोर. तमन्ना, टेल मी.
Bag.
हाथ का है. Tell me. Taman.
Leg.
Very good. Good job. High five. Okay. Tamanna, we will practice this again. I will give you words, blending words to practice. Okay.
Yes.
Now we are going to do blending. So get, who's going to do this for me? I see j sound, as sound, and sound, right? What is this word? J, a, J, a, What is this word? Satyam?
Jam.
Very
Jam.
good. Okay, Tamanna, you're going to blend the next word for me. Tamanna is going to blend. Okay, हाथ दिखना चाहिए मुझे. Tamanna, blend करो. K sound, A sound, B sound. K, A, B. Do it.
Cab. Cab.
Whose name is Tamanna here? Cab. Okay. Satyam next. L, A, D.
What is it?
Read this now. L sound, A sound, D sound. L, A, D.
दीदी अटक कर रहे हैं.
Acha, you tell me now. I can hear you. L, A, D. You tell me this. How to read this? L, A, D.
Lad.
Tamanna, you tell me.
Lad.
Very good.
Lad is
Very good. Tamanna next.
man.
Very good. Last one, Satyam. What is this word? Tamanna, you tell.
Nail.
Very good. Okay. Good job. Good job, friends. What did we do now? अभी हमने क्या सीखा? सत्यम, आपका क्लास चल रहा है. If you want to talk, you can go. Leave the class. Satyam, I'm talking to you.
जैसे पूछ ले. लोगों का है.
What did we learn? What did we just do? ये अभी हमने क्या किया? What did we do?
Learn.
What did we learn? Blending. What did we learn?
Blending.
Who can tell me what is the meaning of blending? क्या किया हमने साउंड्स को मिलाया. We mixed sounds. Okay, हमने sounds को मिलाया. All right. Now we are going to learn segmenting. What are we going to learn? Segmenting. Segmenting means तोड़ना. अभी हमने मिलाया और अभी हम तोड़ेंगे. Satyam, if you cannot pay attention in the class, Baba, you will have to leave the class, ना? If you can't be in the class, you will have to leave the class. आप दोनों जगह एक साथ नहीं रह सकते. या तो क्लास में रहना है या फिर घर पे रहना है ना? Okay. Now we're going to learn segmenting. What is the meaning of segmenting? तोड़ना. Segmenting means तोड़ना. Okay. So अगर मुझे कोई word सुनाई दिया, okay, मुझे word सुनाई दिया jam. The word I heard is कौन सा word सुनाई दिया? Jam. Okay. So मैं jam को पहले लंबा करूंगी. Jam. मैं इतना लंबा करूंगी ताकि मुझे हर साउंड सुनाई दिए. jam, j a jam, j a समझा मैंने क्या किया अभी? मुझे एक वर्ड सुनाई दिया. I heard a sound. I heard the word jam. Okay, I heard the sound jam. Then मैंने उसको लंबा किया. I expanded the sound. Jam, jam. मैंने इतना expand किया ताकि मुझे हर sound अच्छे से सुनाई दे. Jam, j a jam. समझा? We're going to do this with another word. Do it with me. Do it with Didi. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Satyam, show me your hands. ऐसे. Okay. Cab. Cab.
Cab.
Cab.
Cab. Cab.
Cab.
Cab.
What are the three sounds? Cab.
Cab.
है ना? All right. Next one, Didi. We are going to do with Didi, and then Didi will ask one of you. Okay. Lad.
Lad. Lad.
Lad. Lad. Okay. Tamanna, you're going to do next. The word is mat. The word
Mat.
is mat.
Mat.
Tell me what are the three sounds?
Mat.
Is मैं कोई sound हमने सीखा था क्या A to Z में? कौन सा sound सीखा था? Very good. Good job, Tamanna. High five. Okay, Satyam, your word is nal. Your word is nal. You have to segment and tell me the three sounds. Nal. 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 Now tell me the three sounds. कौन से three sounds? Three sounds कौन से है? Satyam, we are doing segmenting. हम words को तोड़ के we are identifying the sounds. हमको sound समझ में आ रहा है, okay? Nal. 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 Tell me again. Nal का tell me the sounds. Nal. कौन से three sounds आएगा? Beginning sound middle sound and then
Nal.
Okay, Satyam, one more word. Bat.
Bat.
Bat. Tell me the sounds. Very good. Good job, Satyam. Okay. So पहले हमने blending किया, we mixed sounds. फिर हमने segmenting किया, हमने sounds को तोड़ा ताकि हमको every sound we get to know. Okay. Good job, friends. You're doing a very good job. Okay, we're going to try to read. Okay.
Yes.
Can you? Okay, show me a thumbs up if you can hear the sound a. Batman. 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 Can you hear the sound a? Thumbs up if you can. Batman. A sound नहीं सुनाई दे रहा. Batman. A sound. Batman. A sound सुनाई दे रहा है?
No.
No. A sound बाबा. Bat. 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 Man. Yes na? Tamanna?
Yes.
Okay. How are we going to read this word? इसको आधा ऐसे पढ़ो. What? Read this word. Bat. Read.
Bat.
Read this.
Man.
अभी दोनों mix these two words. Very good. Good job.
Man.
Okay. Now do the same for this one. Word को आधा आधा तोड़ दो. Okay. At. What is this word?
At.
What? Read this word. At. What is this word? Tamanna. At. What is this word? At. Fat. Then
Fat.
what is Fat. And then what is this sound? Satyam, what is this word? Ab. B. C sound ka, A sound a, B sound b. Ab. What is the sound? Blend karo. Ab. Fat cab. Good job, Satyam. Good job. Good job. Okay. Last one. Last one. What is this? First one, Tamanna will tell. Add.
Sub.
Sad. बाबा आप ब्लेंड कर नहीं रहे हो, आपका हाथ तो मुझे दिख ही नहीं रहा है, ऐसे कैसे आप गेस कर ले रहे हो? ऐसे नहीं होता ना, यू हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स. हाथ दिखाओ. Add. S sound is, A sound is add, D sound is the. Add. Sad. Tell me.
Sad.
And then you tell me this also. At. Tell me.
Pot. Pet.
Very good. And then mix दोनों words मिलाओ.
Sad pet.
Very good, Satyam. Tell me, Tamanna.
Sad pet.
Okay. Now we're going to read the sentence. Okay. Remember class के starting में we learnt a few we read a few words, sight words जो कि हमको पता होना चाहिए. Satyam, in the class please. Eyes on the screen. Eyes on the screen. Okay. Okay. We know.
Can I drink water?
Yeah, Baba. Please take 2 minutes break. Okay, we're coming back in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. All right, eyes on the screen. What is this word? We know this word. We have seen this word.
All.
All. Tamanna, what? We don't know this word. हमने ये पढ़ा नहीं है. So we can blend. Okay, Tamanna, blend this for me.
Have.
Blend करके मुझे दिखाओ. Okay, Satyam, let Tamanna blend. Okay, हाँ Tamanna blend.
Have.
What is her and now blend. Her and Satyam, is your name Tamanna? Whoever's name is Tamanna is going to reply. Okay, when I say Satyam, Satyam will reply. Okay, Tamanna, I can't see your hand. हाँ, read, blend करो. Her and had. Tamanna, you're not doing after me, Baba.
Heart.
No, because आपने किया ही नहीं ना मेरे बाद, इसलिए आपको समझ नहीं आया. हाथ निकालो. Her. What is this sound? This sound is her. This sound is a. This sound is the. Her and the. Her and the. Had. Okay. What is this word, Satyam?
Very.
Very good. Satyam, blend this word for me. ये word blend करके दिखाओ. Show me your hands and blend. What is A sound? Then J. A. And then B sound. Then blend. J A B job हो गया.
Jab.
Yes. J A. Hands outside. Everyone, hands outside. Hands outside. Satyam, I can't see your hands. J A B. Do with me. J A B. J A B. Jab. 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 I didn't see any. I only saw Tamanna doing. Satyam ने नहीं किया. Satyam, I'm going to do the next one for me. And what is this word, Tamanna? ये word क्या है? What is this word?
Look.
Very good. Now read the full sentence for me. Who will read the full sentence for me? Satyam, read the full sentence for me.
Look. Look.
Full sentence. Read यहाँ से full line.
All had very job look.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Now we are going to blend. Okay. पापा ऐसे JAB jab नहीं करना है. j a b jab करना है. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tamanna. Blend this word. Blend this word for me.
Bad.
Yes. Then b at then mix करो.
Bat.
Very good. B at bat. Okay. Satyam,
Yes.
blend this word for me. Satyam, blend this word for me. I can't see your hand, Baba. I can't see your hand, Satyam. Hand. Yes. Blend this word for me. C sound is? What is C sound? What is A sound? And then what is N sound? Very good, Satyam. Now take out your hand. जो sounds आपने बोला हम वही करेंगे. I can't see your hand, Satyam. हाँ. K, A, K, A, can. Okay. What is this word, Tamanna?
Do.
What is this sound? What is this word? No. Tell me what is. ये हमको पता है. We have seen this word.
All.
And now blend this word for me. R.
Rat.
Good job, Tamanna. High five. Good job. Satyam, see, Tamanna learned. पहली बार उसने सीखा and she's learned. Okay. Now we are all going to do this साथ में. Okay. We are all doing this एक साथ. Hands outside. S sound is A sound A sound A and M sound So we're going to do this together. A Sam. What is this word, Tamanna?
And.
Okay. Satyam, blend this word for me. Blend this word for me, and you're on mute, huh? Unmute yourself. Satyam, unmute yourself, Baba. Satyam, please unmute yourself. आवाज नहीं आ रही बाबा, आप म्यूट पे हो सत्यम. हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ. Blend this word for me. Take out your hand. हाँ. Now do. P sound is? Then A sound? And then M sound? Now blend. P, A. What is the word, Satyam?
Well.
Pam. P, A, Pam. Okay. Tamanna, blend this word for me. C sound is? What is C sound? Then? A. And then?
No.
Not na. Okay. Blend karo.
Can.
Very good. What is this?
Do.
Satyam, please blend this word for me. Satyam, I'm speaking to you. Tamanna, you blend this word for me. J sound is?
Ja.
Then?
Ja. Ma.
Not ma.
Jug.
J, A, Blend karo.
Jug.
Very good. Read the entire sentence. Tamanna, पूरा sentence read karo.
Sam.
हाँ. Very good.
Sam.
Sam, and ये वाला word?
and,
हाँ.
can,
Yes.
can,
Yes.
do,
Yes.
can.
Good job, Tamanna. High five. Very good. Okay. Satyam, Baba, when you're in class, please be in class. Okay. Didi, we are not reading these two words. Now we are going to have a spelling test. Okay. Take out your notebook. Didi is going to say words. Listen to the sounds very carefully. Okay. Listen to the sounds very carefully and write the spelling. Listen to the sounds very carefully and write the spelling. Take out your notebook. Take 10 seconds to take out your notebook. Satyam, notebook ready? Notebook ready, Satyam? We are going to have a spelling test. Show me a thumbs up when you are ready. Satyam, can you hear me? Satyam, आवाज आ रही है? We are having a spelling test. Do you have your notebook? Okay, bring. Take 10 seconds to take out your notebook and write spelling. Write the words. Okay, Tamanna is ready. Satyam ready?
Yes.
Okay. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, listen to the sound very carefully. I will repeat the words 3 times. Uske baad I will not repeat. Okay, there are 8 words and I will repeat the word only 3 times. So listen to the sound very carefully. Okay, ready? Show me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, Tamanna is ready. Satyam ready? Satyam ready?
Yes.
Okay. The first word is sat. Sat. Sat.
Done, Didi.
Show me a thumbs up. Don't say done. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tamanna. Okay. Second word is. The second word is tack.
Yes, Didi.
Tack.
दीदी क्या
Tack.
की आवाज नहीं आ रही है
Satyam, Baba, the word is tack. हाँ. Okay, show Tamanna done.
Yes.
Satyam done. The third word is van. Van. Van.
वाह वाह
Okay, Tamanna is showing a thumbs up.
दीदी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अच्छे से
Baba, van. Van.
yes दीदी
Okay. Fourth word is Satyam, पास आ जाओ ताकि सुनाई दे दे. Come near the phone. Had. 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 Okay, Tamanna is done. Satyam done. Okay. Fifth word is jam. Jam. Jam.
done दीदी
Okay. When you write, listen to the sounds very carefully. Okay. The sixth word is fan. Fan.
yes
Fan.
दीदी
The sixth word is fan. Okay, Tamanna is done. Okay, seventh word. Bag. Bag. Bag.
दीदी बैग ना
Bag.
done
Okay, Tamanna, thank you for showing a thumbs up. Satyam, ready? And the last word is gap. 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 Last word, gap. Okay, Tamanna is done. Satyam done?
yes
Okay. Jaldi se now only take a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp. Abhi ke abhi. Take a picture and send it to me on WhatsApp. Take 20 seconds to do this.
मैंने कल ये टाइमिंग वाला खत्म किया था, कौन लगाया ये टाइमिंग वाला? तब अपने मांगा टाइमर वाला नहीं लगाने का, मतलब टाइमर वाला इसलिए लगाता ताकि बुखार की क्लास खत्म जब तक और ठीक होता है तब तक सही कर लो बुक को। इसकी क्लास खत्म नहीं हुई है रे। हेलो टीचर,
काट दिया फोन।
अरे मम्मी बाबा मैं इतनी सुनते हैं,
हमको सुनाई नहीं देगा।
क्या हुआ?
हट जो बाबू।
यह छोटा वाला भाई था टीचर।
अच्छा,
चल बैठ।
तमन्ना
ये
join
दीदी।
करो, फिर से जूम कॉल ज्वाइन करो। हाँ 1 मिनट बाबा, मिल गया मुझे आपका पिक्चर।
क्या हुआ?
तमन्ना किधर चली गई?
दीदी मैंने भी फोटो भेजा।
हाँ मैंने आपका फोटो देख लिया।
राइट है।
कुछ गलत है, वी विल चेक नाउ, अभी चेक करेंगे।